Well, hey guys. I told you I'd come back out here. Unfortunately, my cow friends aren't here. Must not be cow season. Oh, that hay. Well, I guess horses are hay. Cows eat hay? Some farmer I am, huh? Well, to tell the truth, I really wanted to go out to the lake today. But it looks like they're having an admission fee. Or a parking fee. It's $8. Although you can park outside and walk in for only $1. But I really don't want to get my bike stolen today. But anywho, I thought I'd just come back. We'll have some fun. And maybe see some cool things. How about that? Just up the road, it started raining on me. Wasn't supposed to rain today, but a little rain never hurt anybody. Although it is a bit gusty. Kind of blowing the bike around a little bit. So hopefully I'll be A-okay. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too bad. It's a little dark. Although the breeze does feel nice. It's a little muggy though. So it's not like a super cool breeze. It's more like a someone fanning warm air onto you. Alright, let's have some fun, guys. I told you this would be a fun road. Very fun road. So I don't have too much to talk about today. Other than it's Friday again. Another wonderful Friday. I know I told you last time I was going to try and fix my computer. But, as fate would have it, I have come into possession of a new computer. It's pretty good, actually. It's 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM, solid state hard drive, Radeon 7900 video card, 3 gig memory, pretty good processor, but overall what really makes that computer is a solid state drive. It's pretty amazing when your computer can boot up in like 1 second. It's like you press the power button on your computer, go grab a soda off your table that you're currently sitting at, you look up, your computer's booted again. I do recommend solid state drives if you can afford one. They are very expensive. Although I think they have hybrid drives now with like some solid state and then some old school RPM stuff. I think those are quite a bit cheaper. Yeah, we're gonna make it out to the lake pretty soon. Too bad the jet ski's not working. I have the underwater pack for the drift. Wouldn't that be fun? Go out with the jet ski and a drift. I have one of the old like Kawasaki from the mid-90s. It's supposed to be a 2-seater jet ski, but it's more of a one-person. The balance on it is pretty crappy, especially once you put 2 adults on it. I wonder if it's like a motorcycle. You know how it's harder to ride at slower speeds and faster speeds because of the, what is that, the centrifugal force or something? I wonder if the same thing applies to a jet ski. It's like the faster you go, the more stable it gets. Perhaps one of you can weigh in on that. Oh. Wow. It's pretty cool out here. Oh, this corner's kind of come right up on you without too much warning. Speaking of that, I just wanted to say thank you to all the guys on, guys and girls on Motovlog.com. I post my introduction post over there. And some of you guys subscribe to my channel. And I just wanted to say thank you very much. It's a real honor to have you here. I really appreciate it. And on a related note, someone suggested that I ride up to San Marcos one of these days and go to the Twisted Sisters Road, which I have heard of before. And I would absolutely love to. In the meantime, though, I am definitely going to try and hit up Lime Creek here in Austin. It's apparently a pretty good motorcycle road, which is also not very well marked, apparently. But I'll definitely try and hit that up, record it, and put it on YouTube for you guys. You know? And the offer definitely still open. If you guys want to see anything in particular and have more fun than you'd have on Google Maps because of my awesome commentary, you know, feel free to send me a message. We can go exploring. Aurora the Explorer. I'm replacing Dora for 2014, 2015. She's gonna be angry. Hey, nice corner. Ooh, cool wind turbine. At our next house, that's definitely what I want to set up. Get a nice wind turbine going. Some solar panels going. I'm kind of one of those people who is pretty energy... How do you say that? Energy I'm the kind of person who really watches how much energy they spend. So I'm the kind of, I always like unplug my microwave all day, unplug the computers when we're not using them. It'd be nice to have something like a wind turbine set up so we're not really wasting electricity. Any of you guys do anything like that? Hey, horsey. I checked out prices on those things a few years ago and they weren't very cheap. maybe they've gone down. Hey, there's my cows. Hey, buddy. I saw a sign back there that said goats for sale. Any of you guys interested in purchasing some goats? I'll have to head back and put in your YouTube names or whatever. Maybe they'll ship you a goat via Amazon Prime. I think my homeowners association would freak out if I started having farm animals. Oh, hey, that's cool. Looks like a big old park. I'll have to go play some soccer there. Or football in honor of FIFA. Oh wow. Rain's hitting my helmet. Woo, volleyball. That looks fun. Volleyball. Huh. Wonder if they have a pool. It's pretty fucking cool. Ooh, baseball. Oh wow. So many cool things. Who knew? Out in the boonies. Oh wow. The road's really wet over here. They must have had a good downpour. Wow, it's really starting to come down. That's okay. My motorcycle jacket needs some cleaning. Oh, come on, you could have gone. You absolutely could have gone. So how do you keep rain off of a motorcycle helmet? Do you get that Rain X stuff? Or do you just give it some throttle? I think giving it some throttle is your best bet. Last time I said they needed to invent a air-conditioned motorcycle jacket. Now they need to invent a windshield wiper motorcycle helmet. Oh, these gizmos. Inspector Gadget would be proud. Yeah, it's green. That was fun. Starts to get hot when you're just sitting there. Well, I guess we're getting near the end of today's episode. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend or day, whenever you're watching it. You know, please don't hesitate to just drop by, say hi. Send me a message. I love hearing from each and every one of you. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll catch you later.